Hello everyone! I just thought I'd show you that Chungus is in my room. Today I am going to get in frame, but I also don't want to overshadow Chungus. Today, if you haven't read the title, I am doing a Bellabox, and I haven't done a Bellabox in a while. I actually unsubscribed, but recently they kept promoting this box and I really wanted to try this eyeshadow palette out. So I did cape, I did get it, and I thought, you know, with my channel and everything, why not share with you guys what I get in my boxes. So I got a blue one. Every month they send a different color, and I'm just gonna jump straight into it. So I actually have used this Garnier Fructus Nourishing Treat 1 minute hair mask, and I already own this hair mask. We got it for free somewhere and it smells great. I don't really use drugstore shampoos, conditioners or anything because I don't like the ingredients and stuff, but I use this and I got compliments on my hair today. It's just been really bouncy and shiny and I'm having the best hair day, so I'm not sure if it's from this or what, but I got compliments from my mum saying my hair looked really shiny, so who knows. But I did enjoy that. It didn't like ruin my hair, and it retails for $6.95 for 100ml, but they also have 390ml for $11.95, so it's really affordable. A hair mask is good to have. I was surprised with this one. It does say it's natural. I'm not sure how natural it is, but I am really skeptical about most ingredients in beauty stuff, so that could just be me. The next thing we got was hand sanitizer, which is super convenient because currently in Melbourne we're under another lockdown. Yeah, that's just 75% hand sanitizer. Did you know, Chungus, did you know that 75% hand sanitizer kills more germs than 99%? You'd think the latter, but apparently having less alcohol gives more opportunity for like oxygen or whatever and kills germs. I'm not a scientist, don't quote me for that, but yeah. Next I have a Relax Magnesium Body Lotion. Retails for $15.95, available at Priceline and Woolies. Oh, same with this hand sanitizer. Are you sleepy? I'm gonna open this and give this a whiff. Magnesium sounds really good right now. I've been really sore from work. That smells really nice. It's really natural. I'm actually running out of body lotion. I'm up to my last pot, and at the start of this year I think I had around like 5 body lotions, so it's good that I'm getting rid of them, but then now I'm running out, so I can use this probably like once or twice for my entire body, and yeah, interesting. Oh, and this one says it's designed to assist with stress and it's got essential oils in it, so it's a really nice like lavendery scent. Now this product I was really happy to receive. It's a CeraVe cleanser, but it's a hydrating one and it's cream to foam. So I like foamy cleansers, I don't know. I also have dry skin, so this is perfect for me. A full size retails for $21.99 and you can get it at Chemist Warehouse, but I'm really excited about that. I do have a few cleansers that I'm trying to use up, but it's good to have a good option. I did used to use CeraVe, but I gave them to my friend because I had too many cleansers in my collection, so I ended up, you know, decluttering and giving them to her because I didn't even use them. But now I'm slowly working through my collection and I have some progress. I want you guys to see her. She's so cute. Aww. Okay, last product. This is the Bellapia Brown Eyed Girl palette. I haven't really heard of this brand before. Retails for $32.79, available on their website, but it's this cute little palette. But look how pretty. Look how pretty it is. So today I've done my face and we're going to do this. I'm gonna get a glitter primer. So I've got the NYX glitter primer with me here. I'm doing a big stretch, you do a big stretch. So I might just, ooh, what do I do? Alright, I'm gonna start, get my brushes ready. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this dark shade. See how these go. I love eyeshadows. Just letting you guys know that I did put my MAC primer underneath. Oh, this is such a pretty color. I'm a sucker for neutrals and browns with my eyeshadows. Also, I'm really sorry if you guys can hear my family at the back. They're currently watching the footy. And I would normally watch, but I feel like I'm a bad luck charm, so I'm not watching. This is so cute and it's really pigmented. I did wish there was like a bit of a lighter color to blend these out, but I'll go for something a bit more dramatic anyway because I'm using the glitter. Also, I find a lot of the times when I do eyeshadow, I only use like 2 or 3 shades. Like, I don't really have to use much. I'm gonna get a more fluffy brush to blend that out. I need to remember to take a thumbnail picture because I got called out by my little brother saying your thumbnail is the most important bit of, you know, YouTube and your channel and getting recognized. And I'm like, oh my god, why is my brother smarter than me? So most of the time I don't have a thumbnail because I always forget to take one. So we'll see if I remembered. We'll see. I'm gonna smoke some of this brown out the bottom. This is such a gorgeous shade. You literally can't go wrong with a brown. Ooh, we're going a bit smoky there. I'm just going to go in with my glitter primer and just go ham. I haven't really experimented too much with glitters, so this could go really wrong, but we'll just see. Oh, that was a bit much. We'll see how I go. Right, Chungus? Last time I used glitter, it was a bit patchy, and that's probably my fault. But this is such a cute, stunning palette. Look at that. I love little palettes. I have been collecting them a lot more. I used to be into like big palettes, versatile palettes, but they're really hard to store and really annoying to reach. But something like this you could take anywhere. I'm just gonna go in. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. It's like a pressed glitter. I used to always be scared of pressed glitters, and I just had like bad experiences with some in the past. Like, they look glittery and then it's like that Vaseline sort of formula. But look at that. Oh my god. I might try bring it up a bit more because I've got hooded eyes. This is gonna be a bitch to get off. Why don't I use more glitters? But yeah, the key is to get a good glitter primer, and I like to thank my cousin again for getting me that glitter primer. If you're watching, thank you. I did have a glitter primer, but I didn't realize that it sucked, and I thought that the glitter sucked, but no. Okay, I'm going a bit ham with this glitter, and I'm putting it in my inner. Look at that. I'm gonna use this for my brow bone. And I must say, it was worth me signing up for this box again, just for this palette. I just want to be more like experimental with my looks lately, and I think that this palette is everything. I'm gonna stop before I get carried away. I'm gonna put some mascara on. At the moment for my project pan, I'm using the It Superhero mascara. She's very wet and clumpy, so I'm trying to use her a lot so that it kind of can't. I'm so sorry if you guys can hear stuff at the back. It's impossible to control my big family, and it annoys me, but you guys probably can't even hear it. Okay, final verdict. I'm glad that I resubbed to this box. Everything I received is stuff that I actually will use and did need. So yeah, this body lotion, I'm definitely gonna get through that really quick. This hair mask was actually really nice. This hand sanitizer, useful. This cleanser I'm really excited to use, and this palette was really pretty, and it's so compact, and I can take it traveling and do a glam look using like 3 colors. I just didn't reach for that one, but you could definitely do that and that, or that and that, or, you know, it's really versatile. I can't wait for next month's Bellabox. I was like auto subscribed, so it billed me, so I'm getting the next one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to show you my next Bellabox, and if you see this look in my Lumi box, I do film my videos back to back, so I apologize for that. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in next month's box. Bye.